Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Etihad Airways first class amenity kit. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So the amenity kit in first class for Etihad, I believe this is the same amenity kit you'll get in business class. Really here, so you can see the Aqua de Parma case. You don't have the Casa Armani amenity kit, which I think they're only on A350 routes, maybe. So you get an eye mask, you got the lip balm, you've got the Aqua de Parma fragrance sample here, small fragrance. And there you've got lotion and some hand sanitizer there. So that is the Etihad first class amenity kit that you'll get in first class. So as always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.